Hey guys, welcome back to my travel vlog. Today, I'm going to be talking about my recent trip to Majestic Mirage Resort in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. First things first, let me just say that this resort blew my mind. From the moment I arrived, I was greeted with the warmest of welcomes and was immediately made to feel like royalty. The staff was incredibly friendly and helpful, and they went out of their way to make sure that I had everything I needed to have a wonderful stay. One of the things that I love most about this resort is the location. It's literally steps away from the beautiful white sandy beaches of Punta Cana, and you can easily access it by water taxi or by walking along the sand. The water is crystal clear and you can see all the way to the bottom, which is just incredible. When it comes to the resort's facilities, they are just plain amazing. I have to say that the spa treatments were some of the best I've ever had. The masseurs and therapists were all incredibly friendly and knowledgeable, and they were able to help me unwind and relax in the best possible way. This property includes 12 outdoor pools and a children's pool with for swim-up bars, free cabanas, and sun loungers, free self-parking, 3 outdoor tennis courts, supervised childcare surcharge, and a ballroom, luggage storage, massage treatment rooms, and a porter, bellhop. Guest reviews speak highly of the helpful staff. The gym is also top-notch and it's open 24/7, which is perfect if you're an early bird or a night owl. You can work out in the morning, afternoon, or even at night. And there's always someone on duty to make sure that everything is running smoothly. But the real star of the show, as they say, is the food. The restaurants at Majestic Mirage Resort are incredible. Whether you're in the mood for a delicious breakfast, a romantic dinner, or a night out with friends, there's something for everyone. Overall, I would highly recommend Majestic Mirage Resort to anyone looking for a luxury getaway. It's an incredible resort with incredible staff, incredible facilities, and an incredible location. So if you're thinking about going on a trip, make sure to check out this resort and let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel vlogs like this one. Thank you for watching.